Every part in a human body has its specific function. The well-being of a human body depends on the healthy functioning of these parts. They register and work together to provide and assure the quality of life. It is a well-known problem in dental technology and dentistry that after making crown and bridge work, the occlusion of the restoration in the mouth is often too high or shows signs of inappropriate contacts. Worldwide, most of the crowns and bridges are delivered with an unstable or incorrect occlusion, and it can and will lead to a lot of health problems. Koenders Dental Technology is a dental lab which specializes in the making of aesthetic and functional crowns and bridges. The company is established in Bilthoven, Holland. The founder, Oscar Koenders, started Koenders Dental Technology in 1997, and he is still challenged every day to create teeth close to nature. A clean, quiet and spacious workplace with the right equipment contribute to a predictable and creative product. For this work, a good and open communication between dental technician, dentist and patient is the key for success. But even when the right amount of creativity and communication has been used, there always remains an uncertainty about the height of the crowns and the bridges. To this day, the majority of dental laboratories are working with rigid plaster models, while nature creates some degree of mobility in the oral cavity. The lower jaw twists in a lingual sense through the median during an opening movement until the maximum opening is reached. This is caused by the decreasing distance between the jaw cups during an opening movement. So when taking a dental impression of the mandibular or maxillary, the lower jaw will be printed in a twisted state because of a forced maximum opening of the lower jaw. After making the cast plaster dental models, the impression of the lower jaw represents a smaller print of the reality. The interdigitation between upper and lower jaw has been changed. Through a proper morphology of the teeth and a proper interpretation of the occlusal compass, Oscar can reduce some of the uncertainties. But with any given form of tool which allows him to provide a dental model with a certain impression and mobility in three-dimensional sense, with the objective to simulate the natural movement of the jawbone and the fibers of Sharpie during the manufacturing of dental work pieces, he can deliver crowns and bridges to the dentist with the best possible integration and functioning in the oral cavity. How does it work? In the first stage, the crown is made with the conventional working of a cast dental plaster model. When the occlusion and articulation is checked, it will seem that the crown shows the right contacts. However, upon inspection in the mouth, in many cases the artificial dental piece will show incorrect and premature occlusal contacts. The casts with the pins are conventionally produced, where only the number of pins and their location may change slightly. Create a flexible tube to fit the existing matrix, the females of a Pindex system. When the foot of the model is cut loose from the spider and the model tooth is cut by predetermined positions, it will create a three-dimensional movement of the lower teeth model. As a result, when the upper jaw is pressured onto the lower jaw, the lower teeth can slide smoothly through to the maximal occlusion. The movement restores the interdigitation between upper and lower teeth back in their natural position, and we can make a redefined and correct occlusion for the crown. Right now, Koenders Dental Technology can deliver aesthetic, artificial dental pieces close to nature with perfect mouth functioning.
2.
Ik denk dat we die nog een keer moeten doen, of niet? Of laten we die er gewoon lekker in zitten. Oké, doe maar. Nee. Oh, maar, ja, hij mag. Oh, hij mag weer niet.
Oh, hij mag weer niet.
Hij mag.
Mag die?
Hij mag.
Ja?
Oh, hij mag niet.
Zo is het wel niet echt. Klemmen?
Van mij mag je.